Okay, now that we've got the groove cut in there and we've got it ground to the right width and length that we think, remember I said this sharp corner and this sharp corner are going to be somewhat problematic. So while you were over on that 45 vise, you could have taken just a flat end mill and you could have knocked a little chamfer on there. And again, in some cases I can file it quicker than I can run a milling cutter and chamfer. So I'm just going to take a file and I'm going to take that file along and I'm going to round. First I'm going to knock a flat on that edge, and then I'm going to kind of draw file it back and forth, and I want a nice relief radius on this here. And of course then we're going to stone things up, wipe it off, and then we're going to see how our fit works here. So we're going to slide it into place, and I can see that I've got a little more work to do on it. I need to take a little bit more off of this ear here. And again, with the die set, you don't have to fit all four surfaces. You can take and slide that in and fit that surface. You can take and fit this surface by feeling the thickness of the ear, which is the problem here right now. And then of course, finally, you want to make sure that you got good relief radii here and here. And then again, you shouldn't have to worry about this because prior to grinding, you made that relief groove in there. And again, I'm using a 3/16 end mill. You could use an 1/8 inch end mill if you want. It really doesn't matter, but I chose a 3/16 because I like to do things in one cut. And if you tried to do one cut depth with an 1/8 inch ball end mill, you're going to break it. 3/16 is a little beefier, gives you a little bit more relief, but relief is relief.